onto Langcliffe Road.
That's ridiculous, that.
Yeah.
The place you won't go over, the
Yeah.
centre's shut in.
Right.
Could have been in the middle where we needed to turn off here.
Yeah.
After a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Langcliffe Lodge. Take the next left onto Langcliffe Lodge.
That weren't easy to...
You arrive at destination on the right after 700 feet.
Plenty bottles. Ah, where do we park? Where do we
Drive
get it?
up to the barrier, it says. Section straight ahead, it says drive up to the barrier.
Reception straight ahead.
That's what it said.
Reception. No reception room. That's the laid out, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. That's the old caravan and camping, yeah, looks a bit... not great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at where it is a bit...
Not get them up here though, would we? We're throwing up a lot of place. It's quite a big touring park, isn't it? Flipping heck. It's a great touring area, isn't it? We're up on sticks.
Alright, I'll pick up here, I thought it looks nice at the top.
That one there.
Oh. Cheers.
Yeah, okay.
Drive on, control your doors that side.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're only facing
I'll
downwards.
forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, no problems. Reverse in there actually. Straight in. I think on one side.
Oh, right hand side, yeah. We'll see.
Not feeling too bad at all. To be on grass when you get out, that's a bit. Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's good morning from Langcliffe Park caravan site, just outside Settle. We arrived yesterday afternoon after visiting Skipton. It was very cloudy and it turned out to be quite windy, so we didn't really move out at Motorhome. So today we'll do a bit of exploring. We'll have a wander around the site, we'll show you what the site's like, and probably, well, we're here for 4 nights, so we'll try and find some nice walks, and we'll also go for a walk into Settle. So this video is just really us arriving at Langcliffe Park caravan site. We did have a little bit of an issue with the road because somehow the centre of Settle had been closed off for some reason, and we end up going through some very narrow streets. I think it's Cargrave we end up coming through, and some very steep hills. So hopefully that's on the video. But it's a very nice site. It's got bigger. It's been extended by the looks of it. You know, we're looking at Google Earth. It's got a little bit bigger. Lovely pictures. Just got to explore it a bit more. So if you want to carry on and watch this video, you'll see what Langcliffe Park caravan site's like. And we'll see you later on. Thank you very much. Right, so here's where we pitched up. On top of a hill. It's quite level actually. I've not used ramps. Slight angle but nothing major. And this is the view we've got down. Right, this is view from Eyes Point in the site. That's us over there. There's a playground at the top of the park. Have to keep your children happy for a bit. Quite a good one as well. Sanitizer gel everywhere. Site's only got one Elson point though. The view from the far corner across the top, beautiful hills of North Yorkshire in the distance. Statics and that in the corner over there. It has wooden lodges. So this is the orchard then. See, all this has been extended on from Google Maps bit.
Yeah. Nice.
So that's your dog walk up there, isn't it?
Nice view, this one.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
So it's all service pictures on here.
Are there?
Yeah. Dog walk and ball game area.
That's not a very good combination, is it?
I'll take it it's not in the same field. But who knows? There's a few gone this morning anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's only that one Elson point as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's got gel outside, but the actual
Around it.
yeah, it's
You've got to touch, but even if it's a push one,
Yeah.
you're touching all
Yeah.
the time. There's nothing that you haven't got to answer back when you get back.
I know.
We're getting out there, it's good.
So there's just one toilet block on here, isn't there?
This,
That's your waste bins, recycling point.
look at the night.
So that's drinking water.
Yeah.
So your grey waste must go down here then. Into not the most usable motorhome point. So you got reverse in here, haven't you? So that's your contact number then, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not enough.
So this leads you back round to reception.
Or if I have to escape to contraband.
That must be where that noise is coming from, there's like a factory there,
Yeah.
isn't it? That little,
Yeah.
you only just hear a little distant beeping.
Yeah.
Right, so this is the static part of the site. There's some over the other side as well.
Bit like when we went to that was they've got that big house with apartments in it. I know they've only got one.
So this is the lower part of the touring park. You've got all and down by the toilet block is your fresh water and grey waste. I'll show you that in a bit. There's some long tents nowadays, isn't there?
Mm. They had to want that back, didn't they?
Grey waste and fresh water. Gosh, I'm looking up them. Filling up a bit now.
What day is it?
Thursday. Right, here we are. Right, hope you like that little walk around Langcliffe Park caravan site just outside Settle. If you did, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget, leave a comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also click that notification bell. It'll notify you of when I've uploaded some more videos. Right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.